Hi Rajesh sir, welcome to the show. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you, Jiggy.
Sir, what's the outlook for the market for this week?
So market is now trading at very critical level of 14,500 because in the last week we have seen, especially in the on the Friday, there was a big cut in the market, and now Nifty is trading near to its important critical support area of 14,500 because we have seen all the global market has also shown negativity and the same kind of cues we have followed in our market. So there was some little fear factor in the market, but if you look at the overall setup, it's in bullish territory. But yes, for the near term, we believe that 14,300 to 14,500 is the range where market will try to get some support. If we break 14,300, then it would be again second round of serious selling we can see in the market. So, at the current juncture, we believe that, market will try to get some support buying action in this 200 point range, like 14,300 to 14,500. Almost we have closed at 14,500. So some pullback action cannot be ruled out from these levels because overall setup for short to medium term is in the bullish territory, and stock specific buying action is still there in the market. So in the pullback we believe that 14,750, 14,850 are going to act as a steep resistance for any upward momentum if we see in the market. Again, if we able to cross above 14,850, then we will see market to move again in the comfort zone, and then we will see again fresh buying action will come in the market. So that's the level for the Nifty as of now. For Bank Nifty again, 35,000, 34,000, 800 to 34,500 is the immediate support area from the current level. If we break below 34,500, then possible downside we can see in the Bank Nifty towards 33,800. That's the next major support area which we are seeing in the on the Bank Nifty. However, on the higher side, 35,500, 5,800 are the critical level for the Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty able to cross again 35,800, then we will see in, again in the banking and financial sector. Especially private bank has shown some sort of weakness in last two trading session. So that's the reason we have seen Bank Nifty has shown deep correction, especially in last trading session. So still we believe that buy and dip should be the strategy for the short to medium term investor. For trader, follow the strict stop loss, follow the flow of the market. Mid cap stocks are still showing good strength, so try to focus on the mid cap space, and as well as the sector like fertilizer, capital goods, power. These all sectors are showing good buying interest. Even chemical sectors are showing good buying interest. So these sector you can focus from the mid cap as well as from the large cap space. Even oil and gas sector is also looking promising. So these all sectors are showing good buying interest. So one can focus on these sectors.
Right, sir. Sir, any stock that you think are looking good right now?
So for next week or for next 5 to 10 trading session, we believe that some of the mid cap as well as large cap stocks are looking still attractive, and we believe that oil and gas sector to do well. So from that sector, we like Petronet LNG at the current juncture. Stock managed to view breakout of its consolidation range of 235 to 253, and stock has formed a rounding bottom formation on the daily chart and has witnessed a breakout of the consolidation. Stock is very well trading above its short to medium term moving averages. So chart pattern suggests that the breakout suggests that 275 to 280 should be the target for Petronet LNG. One can buy and accumulate the stock even any minor corrective actions comes. Keep stop loss of 245 to buy a Petronet LNG for upside target of 275 to 80. Another stock which we like from the mid cap space, that is Blue Star Limited. Stock managed to view breakout of last 3 month consolidation range. So range breakout suggests that now stock will move further in the new territory, and we are expecting that stock can move further higher towards 930, 950 zone. So from current level, we recommend to buy this stock with stop loss of 830. Third stock which we like is BHEL, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. So in this stock, we have witnessed, after almost 6 to 8 month consolidation on the weekly chart, rounding bottom formation breakout has been witnessed with a strong volume action. So breakout suggests that now stock can rally towards 54 to 58 zone. One can buy with stop loss of 39. So any dip should be used as a buying opportunity in the stock. So Bhel was underperformer, but now the setup suggesting that this stock can do well in the coming trading session. So most of the stocks which we are covering, that is from the PSU sector, because whole PSU sector is looking attractive. So another stock is also from PSU space, that is Coal India. So Coal India witnessed inverse head and shoulder breakout, and multiple resistance zone breakout has happened at 145, 146 zone. And looking at the current setup, we believe that stock can move further higher towards 165, 170 zone in short term basis. Volume action is also very encouraging. So looking at the setup, we suggest to buy this stock also with a stop loss of 142. Target would be 165 to 172. Another stock from specialty chemical, that is Dynapro. So this stock has shown very good buying interest in the last trading session, and especially now stock is on the verge of giving breakout on the daily as well as on the weekly setup. The stock is closed at around 402 level. We recommend to buy this stock with stop loss of 370, and upside target we are expecting in the short term towards 450 to 460. So dynamic product is also looking attractive from the mid cap space. So these all stocks you can buy at the current juncture for next 5 to 10 trading sessions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.